How to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find different options pop up. In these options, click on Settings. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, click on Last Seen and Online. In here, make sure who can see my last seen is my contacts or everyone. Then at the bottom, who can see when I'm online is same as last seen. After you turn this on, go back to the chat, open the chat you want to check status of. Then you will find their status bottom of their name. After you see that, you're good to go. This is how to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.